Hi everyone, this is me Nisha, and this is my first video for my brand new YouTube channel which I started just today. And since this is my first video, I'm quite nervous, as you can see on my face. Well, it happens, right? It happens with everyone. Whenever we start something, it does happen, right? So it's okay. So for today's topic and for this video, the topic will be how to make your brows beautiful, bushy, in shape. So for that, I would need this eyebrow from Benefit Cosmetics and this eyebrow pencil from Sephora, and this has this tiny little brush, or you can say the comb, to comb your eyebrow. So in this tutorial I'll be using just two things, and which I just showed you. So yeah, let's get started. Since I love so did I mention? No, I didn't. I love the arch shape eyebrow in thick and fuller shape. So I'm gonna be making this shape with this. Also, this eyebrow Benefit comes with this tiny angular brush, which helps me a lot to make a good arch shape eyebrow. So I'll start with this right side eyebrow. I'm gonna give it a good shape. A sharp line, I use this side. And the same thing I'll be doing in the left. Guys, I just need honest feedback so that I can improve my videos for the next times. So just leave your feedback in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos for you. I love doing makeup. Like, I'm crazy for makeup. So I just thought I would give it a try to make videos. Because you know, you should follow your passion, right? Just following your passion. See? You can see the difference. This is all done, like done with this. Now I'll be doing brushing, like so. position to see if we have any gap or something, and if it does, we'll be using again the gel. No, we're good. So yeah, this is the final look. If you want to highlight the shape, you can use the concealer. I don't like so much of concealer, so I just use on the pointed area. Like, I'm just showing you how to do it. Like, if you want, you can use the brush or sponge, whatever you want, but since I don't use much of concealer, so I just prefer using my finger to blend it in. And that's it. And the same thing, and the same amount of concealer I'll be using to this side. Just this much, and that's it. And blend, blend, blend. This makeup tutorial is good for the beginners, because when we start doing something new, we don't have any idea to how to do this. So yeah, beginners, this is just for you. That's it, and ta-da! This is the final look. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel, so that I'll be making more videos for you guys. I have lots of tips and tricks to make do your makeup in like quick. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.